Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Habayade baka jing Pynbna ki Kyrteng Jong ki Kyrtong Jong ka Seng ki banya kon ya ka election kaban sawan na kalang ujim sangma uloong baka Tarik hadu menta empat Pynbna daka Election Commission of India badula benrap daka baong ba Hadien baka ECI kala Pynbna ka Tarik ka Seng kan sa Pynbna ki Kyrteng Jong ki Kyrtong uloong ru ba ki don ki constituency ki ba ladap ban Pynbna henry ki we kin sa Pynbna Hadien baka ECI kala Pynbna ya ka Tarik habayade baka jingwan panyaso jong ki MLA sya ka Seng na kalang ujim sangma uloong ba president rang ba jong ka Seng uladap ya tho bat kin don ki MLA ki ban sa panyaso bat ka Seng hakini ki benai ki banwan shu habayade bat ka jingkano ka AITC ba ka NPP kamshim la IT ya ka jinglot jingsap sya ka ECI ujim suloong ba ka Seng ka buat katkom ki an bat ki kendon bala patha da ka ECI uloong ru ba ka AITC ka de bande homework shwa hashwa ban kenno
Elections haven't been declared as of now, but as and when elections are declared by the Election Commission of India, we will be, starting to declare. Well, few of them, our party leaders have already, declared some of the candidates, but the majority of them will be done only after elections are declared.
Is the CM contesting on 2 seats?
Sorry?
Is the CM contesting on 2 seats?
I would not know. You'll have to ask him. Yeah.
How many leaders?
Sir, how many sitting legislators, are likely to join your party?
Well, I think our state president, Dr. Kaluki, has already made a mention that there are a sizable number of MLAs who will be joining the NPP very soon.
Will all the sitting MLAs will get tickets NPP?
I think that's a question we need to wait for till the results come. Till the elections are declared. But these are things that I am not at liberty to answer because I'm also one of those who are seeking sitting MLA who's seeking a party ticket myself. So I think that that question would be best posed to our state president and our national president.
The opposition had alleged that the NPP has failed to submit its expenditure to the election expenditure to the Election Commission of India, and that they are saying that this is a violation. So what do you have to say?
I think the AITC is the party which is alleged to have made that statement. I think they should go and do their homework.
What about the expenditure on the buildings? NPP buildings, NPP party buildings.
Exactly. So that's what I'm saying. That I think it would be good for people of that stature, of that level of leadership, to do their homework. Without doing their homework and giving statements like this, it's very, very unprofessional.
So we can say the party had already submitted the election expenditure as well as the assets of the party.
I can tell you this, that the party follows every rule that has been set by the Election Commission. We are very, very, aware of our responsibilities as an organization as to what we are supposed to do and what we are not supposed to do. And we are very careful about all these compliances.